were expensively recruited to execute this policy. They are efficient, always work together, and have a preference for Italian food.
Dino.
Good afternoon, my friends.
Are we too late for lunch?
We're always open for you, Mr. Moreno. Nice to see you, Mr. Stein.
How are you?
Mr. Senella.
Wife and kids, how they doing?
Oh, they're fine, thanks. Come this way, I'll show you a table here.
Thanks.
Hey, kid, what's the water? You're getting it all over me.
I'm sorry, Mr. Senella.
Kid, get back in the kitchen. Jesus.
Hi,
Afternoon, sir. What can I do for you?
my name is Jack Kimball. I represent Sawtell Winery. It's a new winery located up there in Napa Valley. I have a sample of the first pressing here. Thought maybe you'd like a taste. Have a glass, Andy?
Sure.
You ever been up in Napa Valley?
No, never been. Spend most of my time out here on the beach.
Beautiful country. I'll take a trip up there sometime.
I will.
Tell me what you think.
Not bad.
Let's see what your customers say.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
They'll love it. Gentlemen, it's your lucky day today. Bottle of wine on the house.
Hey, not bad. Hey, don't I know you from someplace?
I don't think so.
Yeah. I know your face. Did you ever live in San Francisco?
I'm from Idaho.
Hey, I got a brother in Idaho. What city?
Boise?
Boise. I know you. I never forget a face.
What the hell?